Hey, so these are the two most viewed phones on my channel, and it looks like there's a lot of interest in these two mid-range phones. So today, two of the most affordable mid-range phones money can buy go head to head in an epic comparison never seen in the history of smartphones. Coming in at $370 on Amazon is the Huawei Nova 5T. Yo, hold it right there. Allow me to do this introduction myself. I am the sexiest phone on the planet. No notch. Glass in front, glass behind. I do not have time for cheap plastics, and when you shine the light on me, which of course the light is always on me, I show you brilliant colors like you have never seen. What is the use of glass at the back if you do not have wireless charging? It just makes it an expensive disaster waiting to happen. Whilst I have the stage, let me tell you about my design. I belong to 2020. I cannot tell. You look like any phone released over the past 3 years. You guys know I haven't done my intro yet, right? Cue the intro.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey Huawei, I guess you have never heard of me, right? Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Do you know what AMOLED is? I am a super AMOLED display. Also, my distance is bigger than yours. My display is 6.5 inches, whilst yours is just 6.2 inches. And yes, size does matter. And you could not even afford to be an OLED panel, a very poor IPS LCD display. Oh really? Samsung, is that all you have to offer? I mean, come on, is that all you have to offer? Okay, now take a seat and let me educate you. Let us talk about pure performance. I am a performance beast. Do you know what a high silicon Kirin 980 chipset is? Of course you don't. You are still a mid-range processor, Exynos 9611. Also, when it comes to performance, I have an incredible 8 gigs of RAM. Who needs 4 gig and 6 gigs of RAM in this day? See, I can handle multitasking like a pro. You are as slow as a snail crawling in peanut butter jelly. I can play the best games at the highest settings and I wouldn't break a sweat. Well, at least I have expandable storage and you have only 128 gigs of storage. You are not future-proof, and guess what? I also come with a 3.5mm earphone jack. Make some noise. Now try and beat that. Now this is what the world needs. A phone which focuses on what is most important. I think you lack focus, Huawei. Oh, did you say focus? Alright then. I didn't want to mention the cameras right now, but let's talk about it. Did you know that I have one of the best night and low light photography cameras in the history of mankind on any smartphone? Pictures taken at night look as bright as day. Every other thing you have when it comes to cameras, I also have. See, we both have 32 megapixel selfie cameras, 4 cameras at the back, including an ultra-wide macro lens and a depth sensor. But guess what? My camera can take night mode pictures even in ultra-wide mode. And see, I have electronic image stabilization, but you don't. Your footage is very shaky. Oh, you think it's an achievement, right? Well, see, I come with Android 10.0 straight out of the box, whilst you are still way behind on Android 9.0. Also, I am a trendsetter. I have an in-display fingerprint sensor. You don't have a fingerprint sensor. I can't find any on you. Chia! Very, very funny. I have a fingerprint sensor embedded right in the power button, and guess what? That is one of the fastest fingerprint sensors in the world. Even if your shadow falls on it, it will be able to unlock. Crazy. Alright, so this is Cyber. Enough of this banter. I'll let the audience decide who won. Now, if you're watching this video, comment who won this epic battle. And if you're new to my channel, I make entertaining mobile phone reviews, app reviews, and affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision whenever you are making your next purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you do not miss the next episode. Thanks, Pepre.